Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can view logs on Debian. Now there's different kinds of log files that are available. We have general system logs, we have authentication logs, kernel related logs, and so on. And most of the logs are typically found in the var/log directory. I'm gonna open the terminal and let's see where these logs are located. So like I said, most of the logs are found within the var/log directory. So if I do var log, you will see that there's different types of logs here. There's boot log, there's application related logs like xrdp logs, and you also see VMware related logs. For application specific logs, or for any logs that are in here, we can view them using the cat command or the less command. You can say cat var log and then let's say xrdp.log. So this one requires elevated permissions here. And you're able to view the logs. We can also use less, you can use tail. I can run the same command and just change it to less. And you can use tail also, so I can just change this to tail, and tail has the option for refreshing the logs as well. So if there is if there's any new logs that come in, tail will refresh using the -f option. So this way of viewing logs is kind of limited. It doesn't have all the logs that you might want to see. So we do have another tool for viewing logs. It's a journalctl. This allows us to view the system logs, and since Debian uses systemd, the logs are managed using journald. Now in order for us to view those logs, we use journalctl command. So to view all logs, we can pretty much say sudo journalctl, and this allows us to view all the logs. And now what you can do is you can filter. If you say you wanted to see kernel specific logs, you can say grep kernel, and that would allow you to just see the kernel specific logs. If you wanted to view logs that are specific to a service, you can use you can say sudo journal ctl and then -u and then the service name. Whatever service, SSH, you can filter using that option. So there's more options here. Another option that I can think of is if you wanted to view logs that are from the last boot, we can go ahead and use the option -b, and that should just show you the logs from the last boot. The other option with journalctl is -f, which also does a refresh of the logs as they come in. So let's go ahead and see that. I can say -f, and any new logs that would come in, we'll be able to see them. So let me see if I can generate like an SSH log here. So what I'm gonna do is let me open a new terminal and find out the IP address for this device. So it's 172.16.1.102. So when I was opening that, you see I generated the logs. So let's try SSH 172.16.1.102. So I'm gonna try to SSH from a different computer here. Say yes. Now as you can see, I'm able to SSH into this Debian machine, and at the same time all the logs that are related to that were refreshed in real time. And like I said, we can also filter. So if I was to kind of get out of this, and I can run journalctl on SSH, and I should be able to see this log that we got when we did SSH from another device. Now another option we have as far as viewing logs, if you just want to view kernel logs by themselves, one command you can run is we can run sudo dmesg, and that should just show you the kernel logs. And again, you have the option to filter. You can just run the command and grab whatever you want to view. So that's all for this video. Those are some of the commands that are available to us on Debian when it comes to viewing logs. So I hope this has been helpful. Catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.